What's up, everybody? This is Brendan Green, CEO, owner of Gold Element Autoworks. That's it right there, Gold Element Autoworks. So what I wanted to make a video of real quick is just a explanation of a lot of the things that I discuss on social media. Oftentimes I have a lot of debates or conversations regarding the importance of maintaining your Mercedes-Benz and different options that you have when it comes to customization and modification in order to fix your Mercedes-Benz permanently. Now, of course, if you follow me, you know that I'm talking about coilovers for the most part. Yeah, I do support the active body control system, and I try to help people diagnose their situation and try to fix it themselves, or at least go into the dealership knowing what it needs, or their independent shop. So I do support the ABC system, the active body control system. But I do know that there are a lot of owners who are tired of putting thousands and thousands of dollars into these systems just for it to fail again. At some point, it's about common sense. It's not about money. You're putting more into the car than the car is worth. These cars are older cars, 20 years old almost. And so to support that system, it does over time become expensive. And sometimes it becomes kind of, beyond reasonable. Financially, mentally, emotionally, it becomes a burden that a lot of people will rather just get rid of their vehicle, pass their problem on to somebody else rather than fix it. A lot of people don't even know that there is a permanent solution to this issue. I've purchased a lot of these SLs and CLs with these active body control issues because people are just sick and tired of them. There's nothing worse than owning a Mercedes that keeps failing, because it proves to those who believe that a Mercedes-Benz is not reliable. Keeping in mind that Mercedes-Benz incorporated technological advanced systems into their vehicles way before the common car manufacturer even knew that these things existed. They tried, they experimented, they had different technology over there in Germany, apparently. They had some phenomenal engineers. And so I don't fault Mercedes at all for these systems failing. I mean, most car manufacturers did not design their cars to last forever. And these systems were unbelievable. And they are unbelievable when they work perfectly. But when they don't work and they continue to fail, then it becomes, should I keep the car? Should I sell the car? Should I keep putting $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 into this car every time it fails? Or should I sell the car? The car is only worth $5,000 to $15,000. And they say, well, if you can do it yourself, you can save a lot of money. That's true. But did you guys know that probably 8% of Mercedes owners are actually mechanically inclined, willing to work on their own cars? Most people who own Mercedes are not going to fix their own cars. So for you few mechanics out there who don't mind getting up under their car and doing the work themselves and saving money, that's fine. But don't speak for everyone, because everyone who owns a Mercedes is not willing to do that. There's people who have other jobs, other occupations, other things that they enjoy doing. They buy these Mercedes not to work on them, but to drive them and to enjoy them. So don't berate or disrespect other owners of Mercedes who don't own their cars with the purpose of, getting dirty. They own their cars because they want to drive them and enjoy Mercedes for what they are. So, beyond that, I'm just trying to say this. Respect Mercedes owners. Whether you're hands-on and you like to do the work yourself and save money, for me personally, I think that's the only way to really afford a Mercedes, like own a Mercedes affordably, is to do the work yourself. Do your research, and even if you're paying somebody else to do it, know how to save money. It's an art to that. Everyone's not willing to put that kind of effort into it. I understand that. But for those who are, there's an obvious advantage. So what you should do is either support or keep quiet. Stop disrespecting those who decide to do a coilover swap on their vehicles. Stop disrespecting people who decide to do a coilover swap on their vehicles. Stop disrespecting those who choose to do a coilover swap on their vehicles. Because we don't disrespect you who choose to keep a factory OEM, either an aromatic or an ABC suspension. We don't disrespect you all. Like I said, if you follow me and not just pay attention to the things that I say against ABC, you will see that I support aromatic and ABC suspension. You might not believe me, I really don't care, but I want to let you know that all you have to do is spend a little bit more research and time talking to those who I have helped paying attention to our discussions that are usually on public platforms, and you can see how much I help other people to keep their ABC system because I want them to enjoy the Mercedes, period. I hate seeing these cars on the market, damaged, broken, suspensions failing. I hate seeing that. I hate it. I like to see these cars driven, enjoyed. When I drive my SL, because I was just driving that today and yesterday, when I drive my SL, people are like, oh my God, when did you get that? That's the most beautiful convertible I've ever seen in my life. I don't see these on the road anymore. I can't tell you the last time I saw one. Why? Because they're all failing. The suspensions are all failing. So you don't see them on the road much anymore. Well, I'm here to help you guys. Either fix your ABC or get rid of it. It's out of here. And if you choose to get rid of it, I can help you with that. If you choose to keep it, I'll try to help you with that too. But there are options. So take advantage of them or do what is best for you as an owner. Do what's best for you as an owner. And don't criticize others who choose what you might not choose. Support them, keep quiet. Go to Autoworks, Brandon Green. I'm out. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks.